Welcome to Arkansas State University at Beebe, the university that is transforming lives through quality learning experiences. Welcome to the financial aid section of your online orientation. To determine your eligibility for financial aid, you must complete the free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA, each year. You should complete it as soon as possible after January 1. Remember, tax time is FAFSA time. If at all possible, import your IRS tax data into your FAFSA when completing the application. A priority deadline does exist, and this means that you have completed your FAFSA and submitted all required documentation needed to process your financial aid. For the fall, the deadline is June 1. For the spring, it is November 1. And for the summer, it is March 31st. There is a process called verification. The federal government requires a minimum of 30% of files to be selected for this process. This means the family is required to submit tax documents and other verification items to the college to compare it with what was put on the FAFSA. The federal government will select a percentage, as well as the financial aid office will be required to select a percentage based on any discrepancies. Beginning with the 2012-2013 fiscal year, the federal government requires that the tax information must come from the IRS, which means the student/parents would have to request a tax transcript from the IRS for submission to the financial aid office. This could delay your financial aid. Students can view pertinent information about their financial aid by accessing the ASU-Beebe website and logging on to Campus Connect. Please view Campus Connect on a regular basis to determine if you need to submit any documents. Also, viewing of your financial aid awards are done through Campus Connect. You should view Campus Connect regularly even after aid has been packaged, because your awards can change based on other types of aid being awarded. It could also cause an increase or decrease in your aid awards. Most of your concerns about your financial aid can be answered in Campus Connect. Please view your account information here before attempting to contact a financial aid representative. Many of your questions can be answered there. Satisfactory Academic Process, or SAP. The federal government requires each institution to set up policies that provide the student is satisfactorily progressing toward the completion of their degree. The three categories they require are quantitative, qualitative, and time frame. Quantitative. A student must complete at least 67% of all attempted credit hours. Qualitative. A student must maintain a minimum cumulative grade point average, CGPA, of 2.0. Time frame. A student must complete a course of study within 150% of the published length of the program. Students may appeal time frame only once. SAP is checked at the end of each semester for technical certifications and for students who receive all Fs or all Ws for the semester. SAP is checked at the end of each year for associate degrees. All hours attempted at any regionally accredited institution will count toward the three categories of SAP mentioned above. Transfer students not meeting SAP may appeal after completion of one semester, minimum of 6 credit hours, at ASU-Beebe. See the financial aid website for additional appeal procedures and information concerning second degrees. Students must look at the type or types of aid they are receiving. This will help in determining the required number of enrolled hours needed to retain your specific scholarship or scholarships. Academic transcripts. You must submit academic transcripts from all colleges, universities, vocational technical schools, and/or career institutions to ASU-Beebe before aid can be processed. There is no time restraint on this requirement. Also, transcripts are required whether you received aid or not. Academic clemency. Federal regulations make no provision for academic clemency, sometimes referred to as forgiveness or a fresh start, for quantitative review of financial aid. Duration of eligibility on Pell Grants. The federal government has put a duration of eligibility on Pell Grants, which means your eligibility for Pell is limited to a specific number of semesters if you received your first Pell Grant on or after July 1st, 2008. Currently, the duration is 18 semesters as a full-time student and is dropping to 12 semesters as of 2012. The Financial Aid Department is here to help students with their collegiate financial needs. If your questions cannot be answered through Campus Connect, please feel free to contact us anytime. The best form of communication with our office is through email at finaid@asub.edu. If you must call us, you can reach our office at 501-882-8845, or you may visit us on the first floor of State Hall on the Beebe campus. The ASU-Beebe Business Office, which is located on the first floor of State Hall, deals with student accounts and financial transactions. You can stop by the cashier's window to pay your tuition and fees, inquire about the automatic payment plan, pick up a refund check, receive additional information on our direct deposit service, and other student account-related activities. For information on the ASU-Beebe Business Office, please visit our website at www.asub.edu. We hope that this helps to clarify your financial aid concerns, and we would like to thank you for viewing our online orientation.